dirty look, you dumb fuck. No U-turn. And we're in the red light. Get off my ass, thank you. You could have passed me long ago. Don't run that, don't run that. Well, you're in that, yeah. Thank you, tough guy truck. That was another stop back, you turd. Everybody's a turd. You jumped the solid line, you jumped the solid. How about a turn signal? Thank you. Hi. Use your mirror. Thank you. Oh, look, your blinkers work. That's nice. And another exit dive and a double exit dive. Toyo turd, AccuTurd, turds everywhere, and shit's flying off. Bye. Cut off. Get off his ass, dude. Nice. Thread the needle. That was a cutoff. Let's see, that was 2. It's a cool world. Oh. Is this a cool world? Is this a cool... That wasn't cool. In any world. Are you exit diving? Yes, you are. On the... illegal U-turn. No, you're not supposed to cross the median. Uh-oh. 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 Yeah! Uh-huh. Yeah. 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 Go. Hey, 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 red! It's red, you Toyo turd. I'm going to take this opportunity to put my top up. Off my ass, Grandpa. Top up, stupid. I don't know why you didn't do that. You had 2 opportunities at the red lights. You could have whipped it up real quick. Just driving the fucking rain with the top down. Mazda. Haha, first to the red light. Good move, dummy. That was the fourth red light he was at that he could have put the top up and he didn't. And stop! Car's coming! Jesus Christ, Grandpa. Whatever the hell you are. Hey, dumbass.